Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Uvin Academy Tricks and Logics. In this session, I am going to cover metric conversions. Okay, this topic is very helpful for the students from the grade 4. Okay, now we'll see one by one. First is length, the next one is liquid, then next one is weight. Okay, we will measure the length using meters. Okay, then the base unit. Okay, we will measure the liquid items. For example, take water, juice, then milk, then curd, buttermilk, whatever it is, you will measure. Even petrol, diesel. Okay, the liquid items mostly measured using in liters. Basic unit is liters. Then the basic unit is grams. Okay, for example, we take even our human weight also measured in grams. Okay, then the fruits, vegetables, then grains, the provisions all are measured in grams only.
This image shows the examples for centimeter and meter. In centimeters, we use ruler, length of the pushpin, length of a pair of scissors. Then, for example, for meters is long stick, the length of the classroom door, and length of the football field. Okay. Now, let me see some worksheets. Meters and centimeters. Here, the school hall is measured in meters. Then, a leaf is measured in centimeters. A fence is measured using meters. These are the worksheets. The height of the tree is measured using the meters. The length of the book is very small, so centimeter. The length of the bus is meter. The distance from one place to another place is measured using kilometers. Because the length of the one place to another place area traveling is measured in kilometers only.
Then the basic conversions. This is a very important conversion tricks. Okay. Then big to small. That is the big measurement to small measurement means. That is kilometer is a big measurement. Then meter is next, centimeter, then millimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit in the length measurements. Okay, when measuring length, this is the very smallest unit. Okay, we will see in the union ruler itself. Then centimeter, next one is centimeter, then next millimeter, then kilometer. Okay, when you converting big unit to small units, big unit to small units, see the arrow mark. Big unit to small unit means it is multiplication. Okay, we have to multiply it. For example, take this is mal, mal. So please remind like this, mal. Okay, when it ends. Okay, big to small. Small means mal, mal. Mal multiplication. Small multiplication. So big to small means multiplication. Then small to big. Why? How to remember this? Small to big means divide. Okay, division is the big process and it's a very kids feel difficult in the division problems. Okay, so that's why it's a big process. So small to big. Big means big process. Division usually the big process for kids. Okay, they feel difficult while doing the division. So small to big. Big means division. Okay, small to big, you have to divide it. Okay, see, for example, millimeter to centimeter. This is a small unit. Okay, when compared to centimeter, so that time you have to divide by 100. The next one, centimeter to millimeter, millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. Centimeter to meter divided by 100. Then meter to kilometer, it's divided by 1000. For example, see this chart. Okay, so this is the basic units. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter. Please forget. Please memorize this one. Okay, please memorize this. Okay, this is the main conversion because big to small means multiply, small to big means divide. Okay, you should know what value you have to with what value you have to multiple and divide. Okay, so in some basic unit for liquid is liters. Okay, it will vary. Okay, the unit value get vary, but in weight, okay, every conversions should multiple or divide with 1000 only. So then there is no confusion in weight sections. Okay, only the confusion comes in length and liquid. Okay, but in this topic we going to cover only the length alone. Let us see some problems based on length. Okay. This is the main techniques. Base unit is base unit for length is meters. Okay, this is 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So these things you have to memorize. Okay, then conversion, the main conversion. This is the tricks. Okay, big to small means multiple, small to big means divide. Okay, the main conversion here is, so this is the, okay, this is the chart. Millimeter, centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. Okay, this is from small to big measurements in length. Okay, so let me see some problems based on the length conversions. Okay, so first one is 10 mm equal to centimeter. Mm is smallest unit, then same as the next unit. Okay, so what I told, millimeter to centimeter, that is small to big. Small to big means what? Divide. So we have to divide by 10, divide by 10 is what? 1. So 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. Then next problem, 100 mm to then centimeter. Okay, again the conversion is mm to cm. Mm to cm, you have to divide by 10. So 100 divided by 10. 10 get cancelled. What is 10 centimeter? The next one is centimeter to millimeter. So here big to small. Centimeter is big, when compared to millimeter, right? So big to small. Centimeter to millimeter means you have to multiply by 10. Here 56 multiple by 10. What is the answer? So only 10. So put 10. 56 times 1 is what? 56. So 560 mm. The next one is kilometer. What is 5 kilometer equal to how many meters? So this is kilometer and this is meter. Okay. Kilometer is the biggest one. The next one is meter. Okay. Meter is the basic unit. And kilometer to meter is what? Multiple by 100. So 5 into 1000. 5000. Okay. Next one is 10 meter to centimeter. Then here meter to centimeter means what? Again it's big to small. Big to small means what? Small multiple. Then small, big to small means multiple by what? 100. So 10 into 100 is 1000. Here 1 0, here 2 zeros. So put 3 zeros. Okay. 23 zeros is 1000. The next, meter to kilometer. So meter to kilometer means what? Small to big conversion means what? You have to, small to big means what? You have to divide. So 6000 divided by 1000. 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Okay. So only 6 by 1 is 6. Okay. Next one is 896 centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. That is small to big. Okay. That is divide by 100. So 896 divided by 100. So when you dividing by 2 zeros, okay, 2 zeros are there. Dividing by 100, you have to move 2 zeros here. So 8.96 centimeter. Okay. The next one is 400 centimeter to meter. Again, centimeter to meter means divide by 100. So 400 divided by 100 means you can directly cancel and put 4. Okay, if there is any extra numbers other than 0 means you have to put a decimal places when you dividing it. Okay, then 50 mm, millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter to centimeter means what? Again it's divide. Okay, small to big, I have to divide. So 50 by, what is the conversion? 10. Okay, 0, 0 get cancelled. So 5 is your answer. Okay, in denominator only 1 is there. So no need to put that. Only 5 centimeter. Then again, it's 800 centimeter. 800 centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. Again it's small to big. You have to divide by 100. 800 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. It's 8. Okay, centimeter to meter. The next one, 9000 meter to kilometer. Okay, 9000 kilometer to meter. It's big to small. What is small means? Multiplication. Multiplication with what? 100. So, but here meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer means what? Divide by 100. 1000. Sorry, divide by 1000. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Only 9 kilometer. Okay, meter is small when compared to kilometer. You have to divide it because it is small to big. You have to divide. Then 3 kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter means what? Big to small multiplication. So 3 into 1000, 3000 meters.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.